Hi everyone, today we're going to go over question 17 from 2009 AMC 10. Let's read the problem first. Rectangle ABCD has AB equals to 4, BC equals to 3. Segment EF is constructed through B so that EF is perpendicular to DB, and A and C lie on DE and DF respectively. What is EF? Since it's a geometry question, so first thing we are going to do is to make a graph corresponding to the question. So first thing we see is that we have a rectangle that has a side of 4 and another side of 3, which will look like this. A, B, C, D, 4, 3. And since it's a rectangle, so DC is also 4 and AD is 3. Segment EF is constructed through B so that EF is perpendicular to DB. So let's connect D and B, which is a diagonal of the rectangle. And EF is perpendicular to that. So it will look like this. E and F. And A and C lie on ED and DF. So we're going to connect E and D and D and F. So we basically just constructed another larger triangle around the rectangle. Now we have constructed a graph with a question. Let's try to solve the question. So the question is asking for the length of EF, which is EB plus BF. And as you can see, we have a right triangle ADB here with one side of 3 and another side of 4. And by Pythagorean theorem, we get BD equals to the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, which equals to 5. 5 here. And we see another right triangle, BDF, that share a same angle with triangle BDC. Therefore, it's reasonable to say that BF to DF to BD equals to 3 to 5 to 4. And we already know the length of BD, which is 5. So we can get the length of BF. 5 over 4 times 3 equals to 15 over 4 is the length of BF. So next thing we're going to do is to find the length of EB, which is a side of right triangle EDB, which share a same angle with triangle ADB. Therefore, it's reasonable to say that EB over BD over ED equals to 4 over 3 over 5. And we already know the length of BD, which is 5. So we can get 5 divided by 3 times 4 equals to 20 over 3 equals to EB. Now let's just add them together. So EF equals to EB plus BF equals to 15 over 4 plus 20 over 3 equals to 12 over 45 plus 12 over 80, which equals to 125 over 12, which is try C.